Hey guys, it is my privilege to welcome you to the second video of Datum, powered by School of AI. In this edition, we introduce you to AutoML. Developed by data robots, AutoML aims to ease the process of building ML models by automating commonly used steps such as feature pre-processing, model selection, and hyperparameter tuning. It helps to define robust approaches to automatically construct ML pipelines for given problems and effectively execute them to find performant models. The necessity of AutoML arises out of different situations when you are dealing with many moving parts and greater number of parameters. In this situation, it would help to focus on design and implementation details in a structured manner. Automated feature processing, automated algorithm selection, hyperparameter optimization are the core components of AutoML. Let us look into each one in detail. There is an abundance of pre-processing methods and ML algorithms which will perform with some set of transformations. Having a flexible AutoML will allow experiment with different components in a smart way, which will help save time and money in projects. AutoML will help to choose the right algorithm from a set of suitable algorithms for a given problem. It is a crucial feature that would help to define a range of hyperparameters that you would like to experiment with, resulting in the best pipeline. Some of the common components of the pipeline that you can modify are pre-process and clean the data, select and construct appropriate features, select an appropriate model family, optimize model hyperparameters, post-process ML models, and critically analyze results obtained. Well-known AutoML systems include AutoVega, the oldest library released in 2013, which simultaneously selects ML algorithms and hyperparameters. It is also combined with Vega package. AutoSKLearn is an extension of AutoVega using Python library scikit-learn. TPOT is a data science assistant which optimizes ML pipelines using genetic programming. And last, H2O-ML, which provides automated model selection and ensembling for H2O-ML and data analytics platform. It is also used to advance and improve research. Some of the packages for architecture research include AutoKeras, DevOL, and HyperAS. So that's it guys about this session of Datum. We hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to join us at AI Fest on March 22nd and 23rd at College of Engineering Talasheri. This is the first venture by School of AI Kerala. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. So see you guys on the next session of Datum.